Uber now on the way to the Titanic Belfast Hotel for 2 days exploring Belfast from the Titanic, Game of Thrones and the famous Ulster fry. Just arrived at the Titanic Hotel. Looks the part. What do you think? Just about to go down to the restaurant at the Titanic Hotel called the Wolf Grill, a restaurant that focuses on locally sourced ingredients. Just had starter there, pretty exceptional. What do you think, Paul? Solid. It's an amazing bit of food there. Definitely want to check out some of the best food we've had in any country. It's Belfast that provide the best meat, best food. Just came back from dinner there. The bed was made and wee treats on the pillow. Can't beat the little things, even though the room is a mess. Good morning, guys. Just gonna go take some drone footage. Just gonna do that now and then go have some breakfast. See you soon. Cool's finally up, so means one thing: breakfast time. Had a bit of breakfast. Now we're gonna head to the Titanic Exhibition Centre. It calls for one thing. Should we get a taxi? Oh wait. One of the best things about the Titanic Hotel is that it's so close to the Titanic Quarter. Gonna call, get some lunch at the cast and crew. Perfect place right beside the Titanic to get a nice lunch. I'm just in cast and crew having some lunch. I got the stew when in Belfast or in Ireland. 3 things you need to get: stew, Ulster fries, and of course Guinness. But it's a bit early for that. Just had a bit of food there at cast and crew. I got the stew and the cold food, got the seafood chowder. Definitely a good place to grab lunch and around this area. I mean, we haven't had to leave the Titanic Quarter yet because everything's sort of just been in our vicinity. But there is a lot of buses nearby. There's the 2 main tourist buses, Belfast City Tours and I think it's City Tours Belfast as well. The sightseeing one. Both of them, and also obviously the transit lines. You can get around, but I mean, it's probably about a 30-second walk from here over to the Titanic Hotel or the exhibition, so it is all relatively close by. Unless you really want to go into the smack bang in the city centre,